Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and locating the exact GPU so you fetch the right driver. Open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters to read the model name. Once done, decide whether you'll use GeForce Experience for automatic updates or download the driver manually from Nvidia. Make sure you have admin rights and a wired or stable Wi-Fi connection. These reduce installation problems. Now proceed to the chosen download path so you don't install a mismatched driver. If you chose GeForce Experience, open it, sign in, click drivers and check for updates, then download and install. For manual installs, select your GPU series, Windows 10 64-bit, and the correct driver type, then download the exe. Run the installer as admin. Agree to prompts and pick Custom Install to review components. Select Clean Install when switching major versions to remove old files. Allow the installer to complete, and do not interrupt. Windows may display a black screen briefly during driver replacement. After installation, restart your PC to finalize driver registration, and then open Nvidia Control Panel to verify the driver version and adjust display settings. If the system behaves poorly or shows artifacts, open Device Manager, select the GPU, Driver tab, and Rollback driver. If rollback isn't available or problems persist, reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to fully remove remnants. Then reinstall the latest stable driver. This resolves most conflicts caused by incomplete or corrupted driver upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.